Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JE. This is question number 139 out of 150 questions. This question asks, Sheldon spends 15% of his weekly income for travel expense. Sheldon earns $6,000 weekly. How much does Sheldon spend on travel? The choices are A. $400, B. $150, C. $585, D. $900. Again, the question and choices are Sheldon spends 15% of his weekly income for travel expense. Sheldon earns $6,000 weekly. How much does Sheldon spend on travel? The choices are A. $400, B. $150, C. $585, D. $900. Do you know about percentages? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, the answer will come up. Then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. Sheldon spends 15% of his weekly income for travel expense. Sheldon earns $6,000 weekly. How much does Sheldon spend on travel? The choices are A. $400, B. $150, C. $585, D. $900. Now to read my answer. 6,000 over 1 multiplied by 15 over 100. 6,000 over 1 multiplied by 15 over 500. 0 cancels 0 and 0 cancels 0. 60 multiplied by 15. 15 multiplied by 60. The answer is 900. Answer equal $900. Answer D. Answer $900. Answer D. Um, now to explain my answer. 6,000 over 1 multiplied by 15 over 100. You want to find what the percentage amount is in dollars, right? You want to find out what the percentage amount is in dollars. 6,000, that's the amount that Sheldon earns, and you put that over 1, multiplied by 15%, and 50% is 15 over 100. Again, 6,000, that's the money that Sheldon earns weekly, over 1, 6,000 over 1. Just put it over 1 because there's nothing to put it over. So you put it over 1. 6,000, nothing, there's nothing, there's $6,000. So there's nothing to put as a denominator. So you put 1 there. 6,000 over 1 multiplied by 15 over 100. And 15 over 100 is 15%. Okay, next you cancel out the zeros. It's like saying 6,000 divided by 10 and 100 divided by 10. Anyway, and when you're doing fractions like this and you see zeros as a denominator and as a numerator, you should go 0 cancel 0. It's same as dividing. It's just if you're dividing it by 10 and by 100 or so. And then what does 0 see? You go 0 cancel 0. If you do it one time, you're dividing it by 10. If you do it 2 times, you're dividing it by 100. If you're doing it 3 times, you're dividing it by 1000, and so on. So 0 cancel 0, numerator and denominator. And then the other 0 again, 0 cancel 0. So 0 cancel 0 and 0 cancel 0. Now you're left with 60. 60 over 1 multiplied by 15 over 1. 60 over 1 multiplied by 15 over 1. You have 2 ones at the bottom because there's nothing else that you can divide. You can divide or cancel out anything else. So you multiply it across. Multiply it across. 60 multiplied by 15 and 1 multiplied by 1. You know that 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 already. You already know that 1 multiplied by 1 is 100. Sorry, you already know that 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. You already know that 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So multiply the top part now. 60 multiplied by 15. 60 multiplied by 15. Let's multiply. 60 multiplied by 15. For easier multiplication, we're going to put the 60 at the bottom. Since that's a 0 anytime, there's 0, any number to multiply by 0 will still be 0. So it's easier to put this, to multiply. It's easier to multiply when you put the 60 at the bottom. So let's do that. So 15 multiplied by 60. 15 multiplied by 60. Let's multiply. 0 times 5 is 0. And then 0 times 1 is 0. Okay, so that's 0, 0. 0 times 5 is 0. And 0 times 1 is 0. Next, you go under it and put a 0 as a placeholder. 1, 0, because we move it one time. But we are finished with this, with the ones. So we go to the tens. So put 1, 0 as placeholder. So put the 0 underneath the last 0. Put the 0 underneath the last 0. Next, multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. You put down the 0, carry the 3. You put down the 0, carry the 3. And then 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus the 3 that you carry over. 6 plus the 3 that you carry over. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now let's add it go down. Let's add it go down. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again, 0 plus 0 is 0. And 9 plus nothing is 9. 9 plus nothing is 9. Again, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 9 plus nothing is 9. 9 plus nothing is 9. So that makes it 900. That makes it 900. Answer is equal to $900. Answer is equal to $900. Okay, answer $900. Answer D. Answer $900. Answer D. Answer $900. Answer D. Answer $900. Answer D. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Techno teachers must pass GSAT package, or Techno teachers must pass PEP package. Receive by email the day after you pay for them. Make payment into our bank account island-wide. GSAT or PEP read-along videos. Language arts, communication tasks, science, social studies, and mathematics, plus a set of 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with worked out and explained answers. 10 tests of each of the 5 GSAT subjects. The videos are no longer being offered for payment. You get the videos free on YouTube now, but you can still purchase the 50 past papers, which are also the 50 GSAT past papers. You can still purchase the 50 GSAT past papers, which are also suitable for PEP. Cost $4,000. For payment information, as well as samples of other videos and test papers with answers, go to my Facebook page at TechnoTeacherJA. That's TechnoTeacherJA. To receive a set of free samples by email me at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com and simply ask for it. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.